Jack Holland has been a part of the Plant City Parks and Recreation Department for over 40 years, and the director for 14 years. He checks in with the Parks Division half of the house that is having a meeting with the foreman to see if they have any issues that need to be solved. On occasion, he stops by some of the parks to make sure the equipment and the standards are met so that children have a safe place to play. After this, he goes to the recreation center to check on the after-school programs.
Sometimes kids come in and you have to help them with something, either schoolwork or it could be something significantly more serious, something going on at home or something going on at school. But you can deal with a lot of senior citizens. Sometimes you help them. I had a random gentleman call me because he wanted the phone number for the supervisor of elections office, which clearly has nothing to do with Parks and Rec. But that's my job. I just really like making a difference in other people's lives.
Working in recreation parks, the thrill you see in the children's faces when they excel in something, or just having fun. The innocence that's there is just truly rewarding when they come up and give you a hug and thank you. You have children coming back from multiple generations back that played, their parents played, their grandparents played, and now the kids are playing. It's very rewarding to have them come back and remember you and bring their own children back to the programs.
For more information about Plant City Parks and Recreation, go to plantcitygov.com.